Congratulations! Your order is almost complete. But before you get started, separator. Remove all limitations to go unlimited and damp. Supercharge your online academies to get 3x more profits faster and damp. Easier with this elite upgrade. Build unlimited academies, add unlimited custom domains, create unlimited courses, bring unlimited website visitors, collect unlimited leads, host unlimited video trainings and damp. Files with unlimited downloading uploading bandwidth and 20+ elite features. Act now for 2 very good reasons. We're offering Coursova Elite at a customers only discount, so you can grab this game-changing upgrade for a low one-time fee. Your only chance to get access is right now, on this page. When this page closes, so does this exclusive offer. Let's remove all the risks for you and secure it with 30 days money-back guarantee. You can buy with confidence, because if you face any technical issue which we don't resolve for you, just raise a ticket within 30 days and we'll refund you everything, down to the last penny. Our team has a 99.21% proven record of solving customer problems and helping them through any issues. Guarantees like that don't come along every day, and neither do golden chances like this. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. But that's not all. In addition, we have a number of bonuses for those who want to take action today and start profiting from this opportunity. Bonus 1. Brand your business for success. Branding plays a crucial role for the success of your business, and if not done the right way, it can be fatal for your business. So, we're providing this helpful bonus that enables you to proven and effective methods that you can use to brand yourself and your business for success. Use it with brand building powers of Coursova Elite to take your benefits to the next level. Bonus 2. The flipping code. Website flipping is a sure-shot way of boosting your business income. So, here is 5 easy-to-follow videos, teaching you how to build and sell websites and generate massive paydays from flipping brand new websites. When combined with Coursova Elite, it becomes a complete no-brainer to fuel your business growth. Bonus 3. $1 million copywriting secrets. Copywriting is of immense importance to showcase your brand and get maximum value for your marketing efforts. So, check out this info-packed ebook that has killer copywriting secrets to supercharge your marketing and your profits and give you the security of knowing you can generate cash anytime you want. When you use them along with Coursova Elite, you get real scalable results for your efforts. Bonus 4. Triple your conversions instantly. Boosting conversions is a big headache for every marketer today. But it's not all that easy as it looks. Keeping this in mind, we're providing a helpful bonus that includes 28 power-packed conversion boosting secrets to convert visitors into buyers. These techniques when combined with Coursova Elite get best results for your business. Yup. Take action on this while you can, as you won't be seeing this offer again. Today you can get unrestricted access to Coursova for less than the price of just 1 month's membership. Coursova Elite Plan. Break free and damp. Go limitless, build unlimited academies, add unlimited custom domains, create unlimited courses, bring unlimited website visitors, collect unlimited leads, host unlimited video trainings and damp. Files with unlimited downloading uploading bandwidth. Build unlimited pro-level academies to spread the power of your knowledge and get your students spellbound. Run all your and damp your clients' academies on your own domains with unlimited custom domains. Create unlimited courses for each of your academies. Get unlimited website visitors on your website, marketplace or blog views. Maximize lead generation, capture unlimited leads. Host and damp. Deliver unlimited video trainings and damp files to your pro academies. Get unlimited bandwidth to give best user experience. Give your academy site a pro-level look and damp feel. Customize your academy sites with 20 unique color themes. Multiply your leads with 30 lead generation pop-up templates. Get 6 beautiful color templates of all the sales pages, affiliate page and DAMP. Thank you pages for our 5 video courses. Get done for you follow-up emails to multiply sales and DAMP profits. Complete set of professional graphics for your DFI courses to use for consistent branding. Media library to manage all your images in one place. Get 10K plus free stock images for your products, marketplace or social media posts. Advanced and deep analytics to track your growth and scale it further. Register your students directly for your webinars with webinar platform integrations. Boost relations and DAMP conversions with your students using CRM integrations. Complete team management with rights control, up to 10 team members. Get all these benefits at an unparalleled price. Monthly plan. Coursova Elite. One-time plan. Coursova Elite one-time deal. No thanks, I don't want to remove all limitations to go unlimited and DAMP. Supercharge your pro academies and drive 300% more profits faster and DAMP easier with this Elite upgrade. Please take me to the next step to get access to my purchase. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online fast 2 to 4 weeks maximum.